Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the new office location. Well, just kidding guys, I wish it was. Today guys, we'll show you in a video how to install aftermarket tire pressure monitor system. TPMS system, also known as TPMS system guys. We got that one for the Fiesta here guys. Okay, we just received it. We want to install it and review it for you guys and show you how to install an aftermarket one if you're going to do that. So this is the one that we're using. This is not a sponsored video guys, everything's purchased by us and we just want to leave the review. This is guys the manual that comes with it. Stay with us to see if that thing performs good. I did some research and it's supposed to be a nice one, the one that's easy to install, the one that you don't have to remove your tires. Okay, this is actually a rubber pad that you can install the monitor on it and that way it will not slide. Okay, and the monitor itself, okay, this is the thing, and it even has you can see a solar panel right here, so it can charge from the sun and you don't even need to use a cable, but you can use a mini USB cable that comes with it, but you don't have to. Okay, those are the tire pressure sensor guys right here. Okay, just to show you guys that location, this is beautiful, isn't it? Yep, right here guys. So we came to shoot that video to show you guys here a little bit different atmosphere, not just the shop all the time. Okay, so that's what we have right here. Okay, and this is the knob that you use to get the sensors tied with it. Okay, you can see it goes in here. Let me get more sunshine. Okay, and it comes with some washers, some nuts, O-rings, and another wrench as well. And this is the 12-volt power supply, but again it has the, as you can see, it has the solar panel, so you can use the solar panel only. So as you can see guys, all the sensors come labeled. Okay, so you have left front, left rear, okay, rear right, and right front. Okay guys, so we're at the front right tire now. So what you need to do, okay, remove the cap. Okay, we'll need to install the nut. Then you need to install this cap. Okay, and when you get it tight, you need to bring the nut and get it tied with the wrench. You can hold it if you want with this one as well, right here, to get it extra tight. Okay, and this procedure guys, you don't have to remove your tires from the wheels to install tire pressure sensor. So we're going to do that to all 4 tires now, and when you do that guys, we'll connect it and see how it's going to perform. Okay guys, we connected all of them, and as you can see only 2 of them are showing now because you need to drive it for 1-2 minutes usually, so it can connect to all the sensors. And you can see we have 31 in front left and 40 in front right tire, and this is the temperature. The right one is in the sun, you can see the right one, left one is in the shade, and there is difference in the temperature as well, 23 and 28. So we're going to drive it a little bit and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so we drove for less than 45 seconds and all 4 are showing now, as you can see. That's the temperatures in the tires as well, and you can set the alarm if you have a flat tire. Let's say if it goes less than 35, it's going to let you know, beep at you. That's what we have in ours. As you can see, we definitely need to fix them because 2 of them are a little bit low. So definitely a good thing guys. We'll definitely recommend it. Super easy to install, as you can see. It takes less than a couple minutes to install them, and hopefully the product will be helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching, subscribing us, and see you guys next time.